Hey there guys, how's it going? Here's another one. I did this the ElliottWave account for a friend of mine. He asked me to do a Mosaic on New York Stock Exchange. So quickly I'm gonna go through the impulse and then I'm gonna hit the correction. So we had an extended third wave when you check the logarithmic scale. But when I switch to linear scale, you're gonna see how powerful is the fifth wave. There you go. So wave 1 to 2, and then wave 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, expanding diag for the 5, 3, A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, flat, 5 for the macro third wave, and then the fourth, and then the impulse for the fifth. Okay, so after that, to me this is pretty clean. We had a wave A impulsive structure with an A, B, C, D, E triangle for your wave B. So A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for your wave W. Then we hit a measured move, and then the target for the measured move is always 0.23. So target hit. Now we know that bears will defend here 0.5, 0.618, which coincides with the channel that works better, I think, yeah, in logarithmic. So we know that this could happen. We can have some sort of a three-wave structure, but considering the fact that this thing retraced all the way down to golden zone, slight penetration here, we could expect it to go from here because we already have WXY, so 3, 3, 3. The triple zigzags are rare, but we cannot exclude them either. And what's this structure here? For example, you take a look at it and then you say this is not a triangle, because if you want to put a triangle here, you could force one, the barrier one, and then your wave D would overpass the wave B if this is A, B, C, D, E. And this is okay when it comes to barrier triangles. Like, let's assume that this is a triangle. So for example, you had your W, A, B, C, D, E, and now we could have our A, B, and C wave to complete the Y here. I'm repeating that it's okay for barrier triangles to penetrate if they come back and complete the wave E, or the whole triangle, even if it penetrates somewhere else. But since I have a clean impulse here, I'm gonna neglect the fact that this is a triangle. The best fit for me would be that this is a flat pattern, even though that the shape it's not necessarily fitting what flat should be. Like, it should be a 3, 3, and 5. The subwaves don't agree, but the overall structure agrees, because the price action didn't really move. We didn't have A, B, and then the further C to have some sort of a zigzag. We had a deep retracement, which is really often the case when it comes to flats. Okay. What else could I add here? So I'm a bit late because it's only yesterday I looked at this chart. maybe it's a bit too late to enter this trade. But for example, if you're interested in long term in Mosaic company, then you would think in investing or options, I don't know, whatever you want to do. The target for the wave 3 of this stock would be 150 in linear scale. And considering the fact that I don't know anything about this, I wouldn't want to go into log right now. And as you can see that log scale didn't even touch 0.38. Gonna keep it linear for the moment. So we're here and you're thinking, I want to get in. If you really want to go in, you might want to see something like that first. And then you want that. If we get there in 3 waves, maybe you'd rather short it. But I think that this was the bottom of this asset anyway. If we're gonna get corrective, doesn't have to be A, B, C like that. We could have this A, B, C, here wave W. So W, X, Y. So you want to enter now. We have one area that hasn't been back tested. This would be wave 1 for sure. The way I would look at this is wave 1, 2, and then again 1, 2. Maybe now we're working on the 3rd, 4th, 5th, and then 4 and 5th. And only then I would end the wave 3. This would be 1, 2, 3. So if you want a long, really, make sure that your stop is safe, or you buy some sort of retraces, small retraces, and then you continue. Safer play would be waiting for the impulsive structure to complete, something like that. And again, always, this is your strong guideline for wave 3. What else do we need? We need this. We shouldn't have something like that, so we need this to go strongly, rip the channel, and then hit 1618, and then you might be confirming the upper move, and then maybe perhaps backtest this. What else can we have? I'm gonna clean a bit here. We can use our pitchfork. This was the pivot actually. So I think this was a golden zone reaction as well. Yeah, so golden zone 618, 65, 80% odds that we hit the median line. We can hit it there, we can hit it there, but 80% after the reaction on the golden zone. So since we didn't lose this level, bulls are in a slight advantage. We are back in the pitchfork, and now we're fighting this channel. Maybe it's not such a good place to enter here for your longs. Wait for something like that. You want to wait for September. Or if you don't care, if you believe in the project, long now with your spot position, investing money, and then wait for wave 1, for wave 2, and then 3 should be a Reaper. Alright, I think that's enough of TA. Have a lovely day.